I really... Stop!
This starts as a routine shoplifting call, but within seconds, everything spirals out of control. Officers are dealing with a suspect who's not just hiding items. She's hiding her identity, changing her story, and possibly under the influence. What begins as a simple theft investigation quickly turns into a chaotic situation involving lies, confusion, and escalating tension. Pay close attention, because the smallest decision she makes here will completely change how this situation ends.
Hey, what's up, man? So right now we only have concealment on one, but she's dropping stuff pretty quick.
Okay.
So I don't know if they have a lookout outside, but there's this female and then there's another one, but we didn't get concealment on her.
Okay, just her?
Just this one. Right.
What'd she conceal?
So she had the blue buzz balls with her.
Okay.
And she went to one of our aisles and she only came out with that one. But she's getting ready to go right here.
She still have it on her person or just in the cart?
It's in this green bag right here.
Oh, okay.
So that bag was not that. I don't know. That's the other female.
That's the other female?
We didn't get her, but for her, we got that concealment.
Okay. And she still has the buzz balls in the...
They should be. I didn't see her drop those blue ones, like I said, so they still should be in that bag.
Okay.
She's about to consider it. Keep an eye on the grain. I'll keep on the red.
They could have somebody outside watching.
Huh?
Just two of them. They could have somebody outside watching.
I feel like they have someone outside, because once like here in a little bit, they just started dropping stuff. You got Rajon Gray?
No, I don't.
She went to grab and go. She's dropping. That bag was empty though. Empty when she got here.
Those look pretty full.
She's gonna do it. I feel like she's easy to catch with concession do right there. She's the one that's a little more quick with it. With her, I think you can catch her right there. I didn't see concealment on her. Pretty sure she did, but I didn't see concealment. This is where she got concealment and she was along that wall. Same thing.
Oh, okay.
What was the pasta item? She had also those balls. Could we split them? And then that one up to liquor. They were in the mascot when we got visual then.
Because remember when they met up, that's
Like that? Okay, I see you. Yeah, she look right there. Oh, that's true.
They always go to the restroom.
Especially after they do it, that's when they go to the restroom.
We're still just concerned with the one in red, right?
I'm concerned about that one, but she did have liquor and there was no liquor in that basket when we got visual then. That's her?
No, there's one in the bathroom with like a red blanket around her. She's all like, no, I swear I was going to pay for this stuff.
Magically put in my purse.
Tell me I got one.
You think she possibly has some in her purse too?
I'm pretty like 90% sure there's stuff in
Buzz
there.
balls in there?
Yeah.
This two? Both, yeah. Put together.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Do you want them trespassed?
Yeah.
That's better.
What side are they on? Are they on our side?
She's on register 7, so she's on grocery side.
Do you know if she came in on this side?
yeah.
Yeah.
She's probably just drinking all the buzz balls in there.
Yeah.
Oh, she's coming up this side.
Are we stopping that?
She's passed all the...
Yeah, they want them trespassed.
Yeah.
She's not going to break.
She's right there. Yeah.
That comes red too.
The red too? Yeah.
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. Do you understand these questions?
Yes.
Step forward. So you mentioned that you have all those items that you didn't pay for, right?
Yeah.
Besides this, okay. What about you, ma'am? Do you have anything on your person that you didn't pay for?
We were just having
How do you spell your first name?
MELI.
So
So your first name?
Vanessa?
Melissa?
No, Vanessa.
What is it?
Vanessa.
Spell your first name.
My first name? VANESSA.
Are you lying to us?
No,
So when I
You
asked
just
you,
spelled Melissa.
I know my bad.
No, that's weird.
I'm sorry.
we'll try that one.
I told you to be straight up, honest. Okay. If you start beating around the bush and doing this false stuff, that's not going to be good for you. Just give us your straight up name and date of birth, and we could probably be out of here.
Or I can take you to Border Patrol, make a fingerprint, figure that out, or I can arrest you, take you to the jail, and then when they figure you,
My name's Melissa Sanchez.
Melissa Sanchez. Okay, how do you spell that?
MELISSA. I'm sorry. I'm just getting nervous. Like,
Should be you to get nervous about.
I just want to get arrested. You know,
Let's say you're just gonna get the shoplifting, but now I'm considering the
no,
concealing.
I'm sorry. So just getting nervous. Like,
It's better just to be honest. You already got caught, right?
yeah, you're right. I'm sorry. I'm only told the truth. Sorry for lying in the first place.
Well, regardless, you should have some kind of information coming back, whether you've been in trouble or not. But you have been in trouble. You said you had warrants. You already took care of, so it should be coming back.
Like traffic laws.
Yeah, well, that means you've been in trouble. That's the only reason you didn't.
Well, I mean, it's like
You can
it's
check
weird.
out Paso warrants and see if she comes up with anything.
Yes.
And she's had warrants there before.
But it's still, that's your right date of birth that you gave us?
Yes.
96?
Uh-huh.
11:32 Central. Can you try her out of Arizona?
Oh, the
I'm
person.
sorry. Oh my god, 26.
You're 26?
Yeah,
That doesn't equal 26.
that's 24.
And
See what I mean?
it also doesn't equal 24.
Oh my god.
You're just
How old are you?
straight up
I'm
lying to us.
24.
Okay, then you weren't born in 96, man. So figure it out. Stand up.
Yeah,
Let
Stand
me
up.
show you.
Stand
Let me
up.
show you my.
Stand up.
Set it.
Oh, you guys, please can I show you my thing?
No, until you be honest with us, we'll.
Okay.
Oh, now you're
I'm gonna
turn
come
him.
out.
Turn him.
Oh my god.
Come over it.
Please.
Hold on. Stop,
I
because I
can
gotta
show you
type.
my ID.
Hold on.
Now you have
Now
an
you have
ID.
an idea?
I can probably show if I go into my Google Photos on
Here,
your phone.
hold on.
Stop,
hold
stop.
on. Stop, because I gotta double lock them.
Oh, guys, please.
So how old are you?
Hold on. Stop moving.
We're gonna find you regardless, or you can go to jail. We'll put you under Jane Doe, and then the courts will figure out where you are and you stay in jail until that happens. I don't care.
Alright, what's her name?
It is
24.
Melissa.
Or
24?
Not 24, 26.
Well, she wasn't born
No, I
in
said-
96.
Nope.
It's 26. It's the
When were
year
you born?
20 and 25.
I don't know.
24.
I
You're
just,
born in 24. That doesn't
Yes.
make sense.
I just,
Are you high?
Yes.
You're high as shit. You were born in 24?
Mhm.
Last year?
No.
Okay.
Oh, like the year? 96. I thought you said how old was I? I'm
No,
sorry.
I know what
It's
you
like
meant.
Hey, listen to
I
me.
was figuring out I've been jailed.
What year is it?
It's fucking 96.
It is not 1996. What year is it right now?
24.
Okay, it's not 2024 either. But if you were
It's
born in
2025.
96, how old would that make you? Basic math here.
if I can have my phone and get her ID, can I just,
Please.
How old are you?
my phone, will I be able to come back and show you?
Let's just take her
I'm
name
24.
for now.
You're not 24. So you're not born in 96 or you're 24.
Yes.
Doesn't add up. Math doesn't add
You'd
up.
be 29
You'd be 29.
28.
You're skipping 4 years in your life.
I'm 23.
That's still in
Yeah, I was
I'm
gonna say.
26.
So when
I was
were you
born in 98.
Hold on.
Guys,
We-
please.
Come on, let's go. Let's
Please.
go. Let's go.
Can I show her my? Can I show you my ID through her phone? Please.
Huh?
Can I show you my ID through her phone?
Well, now you have an idea?
Sir, please.
Look, we've been trying to give you chance upon chance, and then
Okay,
now
I'm
we're at it.
sorry. Please. Sir, please look at me. Like,
Come on, we're gonna
please.
go. We're gonna go over here.
Please.
Stop.
Sir,
Let's go over here.
please
Let's
look
go
at me.
over
Can
here.
we just talk?
No, we're
I'll
gonna
just
go
show
over
you
here.
my
Come on.
Instagram. Please.
I really.
Please.
Stop!
Oh!
Stop! Resist! Stop!
Stop, please.
Stop.
Please.
Stop
resisting.
Please.
Just stop.
Melissa.
Guys, please.
Melissa.
Melissa,
Can
stop.
we just talk to you? Please.
Stop.
Stop.
Give me it.
Please, I'll show you my ID, I swear. Please, let me
Call
just
for it.
get
Do you know
it.
how worse you're just making this?
Please, I'll show you.
Stop.
Do you know how worse you're making this?
Guys, please.
Stop.
Now you're gonna get another
jail.
charge for
I don't
resisting.
want to go to jail.
Now you are
please.
gonna, no, you are gonna go to
going to
jail.
jail.
Why?
So we'll just figure it out.
We'll see if she chills out.
Please, guys, please. I don't want to go to jail. Please.
My leg behind hers.
I'm not going to get up. I'm not going to do nothing, please.
All right, we're gonna sit you up and you're gonna chill out, or we're gonna put you in a wrap, and that's super uncomfortable. You're going to jail regardless, so stop.
Oh my God, please. Can I show you my ID through the
So-
phone? Please?
Are we gonna sit up like an adult? Are we gonna behave like an adult?
Yes.
Stand up, stand up.
Don, you hurt me.
Hey, stand up. We're gonna get an ambulance, check you out. Yeah.
I'm bleeding.
That one?
Guys, can I just show you my ID?
What
What can
else?
I do?
We're past that.
Why?
You want her to search her?
Why?
Yeah, I was about to ask. Can she pat her down?
You guys,
Let
please.
me just, she's gonna search you.
Please.
Don't make this worse for yourself. Come on, Melissa, whatever your name is.
It's Melissa. Guys, can I show you my ID?
Listen to what she has to tell you.
Do you have anything that can
I don't have nothing on me. You guys, please.
do me a favor? Just stay right there.
Stop. Stay right there. You're making things a whole lot more difficult than they need to be.
If I show you my ID?
No, we're past that.
Why?
Because
Please, guys, please. You guys, oh,
have a seat. Have a seat.
Have a seat.
Melissa, have a seat.
dude, please.
If your name's Melissa, have a seat.
I'll show you.
Too late.
I'll show
You
you.
can still
Have
show
a
us like
seat.
you're going to jail. Put your feet in.
I'll show you.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in.
Please put your
I
feet
have
up.
to go to jail.
Why? Because you didn't tell us your name. One, you're shoplifting. Two, you're concealing your identity,
I'm
and now you're
sorry.
resisting arrest.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to resist. Like, he just brought me down. I didn't mean to. I really wanted to just
If
speak
you
to
stop pulling
you.
away, then that wouldn't happen. Put your feet in. We're having people come check you out, and then we'll go from there.
You guys, please.
Put your
Have
feet
a
in,
seat all the way in, please.
Please.
Melissa, or
Why?
Jane Doe. I'm
Oh,
not sure.
shoplifting,
Put
please.
your name.
You made this. You
I'm
made this happen.
sorry.
Stop.
Please.
Look,
Have
listen.
a seat.
I'm begging you.
Here, let's behave like an adult, right? You're somehow in your
I'm
20s.
begging you.
You're somehow you're in your 20s though, right? Let's act like an adult. Have a seat.
I'm 26.
I don't care.
98.
1998.
I said that. I'm 26.
Okay, so have a seat, Melissa.
Sorry about that.
Melissa, come here. Have a seat.
I don't want to get arrested.
You're going to jail.
Why?
Why? Because you pulled on the cuffs.
Look,
Trying to run.
Like that.
All right.
you're trying to run from the officers.
I'm not
Let's
trying
go.
to run, please.
We're gonna put you in a
I'm
wrap.
sorry. I'm gonna
Melissa,
show you
have a
my
seat.
ID.
Melissa, let's behave like
Is
an
there any
adult
chance
now.
of me getting
Yes.
let go?
Have a seat.
Why?
Have a
I'm
seat,
not
please.
lying anymore, though. Please,
Have a seat, please.
guys, please.
Have a
I'm
seat.
begging you, please.
Yeah, just
Please, please, guys,
move your
please.
knees.
Put your feet
Please.
in. You're gonna catch our charges. Put your feet in. I'm done. Melissa, put your feet in.
Come on. I'm not lying.
What you just witnessed is a textbook example of how a minor offense can escalate into a much more serious legal situation, all because of poor decisions made under pressure. Initially, this case was about simple shoplifting. In most situations like this, if the suspect cooperates, provides accurate identification, and complies with officers, the outcome is often limited to a citation or a low-level charge. But that's not what happened here. Instead, the situation began to unravel the moment Melissa started giving inconsistent information. From a legal standpoint, providing false identification to law enforcement is a serious issue. It immediately raises suspicion and can lead to additional charges beyond the original offense. You saw officers repeatedly give her opportunities to correct herself. This is important. The law enforcement often tries to de-escalate and resolve things quickly, but cooperation is key. Then comes the second major turning point, resistance. The moment she physically resisted, even slightly, the entire situation changed. Legally, resisting arrest doesn't require violence. Even pulling away or refusing to comply can qualify. And once that happens, officers are authorized to use reasonable force to gain control. which is exactly what we saw. There's also a clear indication that she may have been under the influence, which further explains the confusion, inconsistent answers, and irrational behavior. But here's the critical takeaway. Being under the influence does not excuse criminal behavior. In fact, it often makes the legal consequences worse because it affects judgment and escalates interactions like this. From an investigative perspective, officers handled this by the book. They issued verbal commands, attempted to verify identity, explained consequences, and escalated only when necessary. Notice how many chances were given before physical intervention. That's something a lot of people overlook when watching these encounters. Now here's a question for you. At what point do you think this situation became irreversible? Was it the first lie, the refusal to give a name, or the moment she resisted? Let me know in the comments, because that turning point is where everything changed. In the end, what started as a routine store stop turned into multiple charges: shoplifting, providing false information, and resisting arrest, all of which could have been avoided with simple cooperation. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.